SwiftUI has a dedicated stack type for creating overlapping content, which is useful if you want to place some text over a picture, for example. It's called ZStack or ZStack, and it works identically to the other two stack types. For example, we could place a large image underneath some text like this: ZStack, image, example image, text, hacking with Swift, .font, .large title, .background, color.black, .foreground color, .white. Like the other stack types, ZStack can be created with an alignment so that it doesn't always center things inside itself. Alignment, .leading. However, it doesn't have a spacing property because it doesn't really make sense.